Yeah, here today is nice because the wash machine, yeah, is working.
Okay.
I'm washing my clothes. Clothes, yeah.
You're washing your clothes.
Yes, to the travel, yeah. The
That's
last
good. You're helping the
washes,
house.
yeah. So very good.
Yes, I woke up a little bit sick, but everything's okay. What about you?
Okay. Uh, the last preparatives, yeah, for the travel.
Hmm.
Uh, but today is different because here is holiday, yeah. So the city is slowly, yeah. Anyone in the streets, yeah.
Uh-huh.
I will just a minute. I will stop the wash machine.
Okay. Okay.
I stopped it. Yeah.
Yeah. But okay. And my mind is I'm so worried about everything that I thought you were aware already on the trip, you know?
Yeah. My mind on think about the trip. Yeah. And now I'm doing my luggage. Yeah.
Yes.
Today I starting and I discovered a new list. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
To buy and new things that I forgot. But it was good because I started so before, yeah,
Uh-huh.
and I have time to buy or to set the things. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's great. I have a huge problem with my luggage and distributing the clothes on on the bags.
No, no, because I wrote only to job, yeah, to work.
Uh-huh.
So I focus my clothes on job, yeah,
Uh-huh.
clothes to job specifically. So I think it's more normal. I don't need to choose a specifically clothes there, so it's normal. And I think um, the most important, I think, is not the clothes, yeah, but on the, for example, the cables, yeah, the batteries, the medicines. Uh, I think the other specific things about clothes, I think are okay. And I had um, preocupação, it's afraid of,
Preocupação, você pode falar que you're worried or you
worried,
have
yeah.
afraid é medo mesmo.
I guess worried about the clothes need to have long, yeah, t-shirt, long sleeves,
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and a pants, not a shorts, because of the mos- uh, mosquito
Yeah, mosquitoes.
mosquitoes. Yes. I think there's that, and I will um, bring the oldest clothes. Yeah, only to work, so that's okay.
Yeah, and about the climate, the temperature. Is there a hot country all the year or no?
Yes, it's hot all the year. Yeah, but one semester rain a lot,
Okay.
rains a lot, and the other it's too dry. Yeah,
Uh huh.
but even hot, I need use pants and t-shirt with long sleeves. Yeah, because I'm afraid about the malaria. Yeah.
Yes, but they don't have vaccines for that. Are you vaccinated?
Yeah, I vaccinated. Yeah, but not malaria. About, for example, febre amarela, yellow fever. Yeah.
Yes.
Um, fever typhoid. Yeah, is another kind of fever. A flu. Hepatitis
Okay.
B and A. I think it's that, but you don't have a vaccine about malaria specific. Yeah. There is a medicine. It's like chloroquine to COVID. Yeah, is doxycycline to malaria. Yeah, but I think it's not. I think only reduce. Yeah, the symptoms. Yeah, but it's not. Um,
Preventive.
it's preventive, but não evita, sabe?
Okay, so it doesn't avoid
Yeah, doesn't
infection.
avoid. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah, I will
So
listen on that.
and you think one way to avoid is use the clothes. Yeah, with t-shirts with long sleeves, pants, um uh, meia sneaks,
Yes, it sucks.
socks. Yeah.
Is sneakers are those tennis, né?
Yeah, and the secret to use these clothes on hot weather is turn your air conditioner low.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Yes.
so low,
Mm-hmm.
low
Yes.
temperature.
You'll be cold. Yeah,
And the, I read about the malaria. The mosquitoes is uh, more is
attracted.
is it more attracted about 6 p.m. I think in the uh, rising sun and the sunset. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
when the uh, in this time, I think I will stay at home. Yeah, and the secret is turn your air conditioner so low because the mosquito don't Um, don't like. Yeah,
Yeah, they doesn't like the code. You know, it's
yeah.
funny because only the females mosquitoes bite us because they need our blood to, to make their children, and when they're coupling with the males, they need to. So it's all just the females that do this. And some ways to prevent the dengue fever in São Paulo, it it's related to their reproduction methods and the way they do it. I don't know how it works in malaria, but I think don't have water that it's not in movement. Stop the
Yeah.
water.
I think the symptoms is similar,
hmm Yeah, it's
and is hard to explain because um each how can I say doença?
diseases.
Each diseases react different in everyone. Yeah.
Yes, and they have a lot of symptoms, but not all of them can be shown at everyone. It's different. But I think everything is going to be okay. You're very
Yes, I
careful.
think it's only because it's not normal. Yeah.
hmm
Uh, we passed through the COVID. Yeah.
hmm
I think we are strong.
Yeah, but maybe you're that scared because you're not used to it. Maybe for them it's like the dengue for us.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
But I think the proliferation, yeah, is more in Africa than with malaria than, for example, dengue in Brazil. Yeah.
hmm I I don't think I know this disease. Don't know what you're talking about.
Hmm?
I don't think I know this disease. Don't know what you're talking about. But
Yeah.
it's okay. So you have all the careful methods, so I think it will be okay. So as we were talking, I write down some things.
Okay.
So in what I wrote, you said even in the hot, and then you continued your phrase like even in the hot, I'm going to wear long sleeves, something like that. Even in the hot, this phrase is not right because the hot é quente. So, mesmo no quente, you need to complete this. So, for you to use the word hot, you can say even in the hot weather,
Okay.
se for se referindo mesmo no clima quente, né? Então o
Okay.
quente não estaria perdido só a palavra. Or you can say even when it's hot. The
Mm-hmm.
it's
Instagram.
Yeah, the it's is referring to the climate. So you can
Mm-hmm.
identify what you're talking about.
Mm-hmm.
But just the hot is loose, they won't understand very well.
Mm-hmm.
And you said about your luggage, I started so before. So the before is a word that means antes, but not in this case. In this
Mm-hmm.
case, you would say in Portuguese, eu comecei antes, né? Eu comecei adiantado. And in English, you can say I started so early for you to maintain this so, or you can say I started earlier.
Mm-hmm.
The before is not used in time changes,
Mm-hmm.
It's before an event, but during the phrases, it's not right. Yeah, I
Okay.
think it's all this. and you were saying something, and you said all the year. When you're referring to a time, and in general, we don't use the. So you said all the year it's hot and it rains, something like that. The day is it's not necessary.
Hmm.
So we can say just all year it's hot. All year it rains a lot.
In this case, use, for example, every.
Yeah, you can say every year it rains, but it's going to change the meaning. When we're saying all year, it's hot all year, you're saying que é calor o ano inteiro. But when you say every year is hot, todo ano é calor. When you're not referring to calor, it can change the meaning, but let's talk about rain. Então, tem uma diferença entre dizer chove todo ano e chove o ano inteiro.
Hmm.
We're referring to this. So, when you change where you're going to put the year in the beginning of the phrase or in the end is going to change the meaning,
Hmm.
the message you want to give to whoever is hearing you.
Hmm.
Yeah, just that. And if you have any problems, with the pronunciation of some words, you can ask me.
No, it's okay. I just wanna in specifically class, for example, um, you passed me, for example, a lot of new vocabularies, for example, therefore, every year use a lot of uh, specifically words, yeah, in the
Mm-hmm.
final of the phrase, in the start. I think to improve, to have more vocabulary, yeah,
Okay.
because sometimes I only say the same word, because sometimes I only say that, yeah.
You don't know much what to use.
Yeah.
That's okay. I can bring this. I think I already proposed you this before.
Hmm.
Um, but do you want me to bring on the next class? Because I think you'll be worried about the flights and you'll be in Marrocos. You think you'll be
Yeah.
okay, or you prefer we do it on Thursday?
No, I think till now it's okay. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
If appear um, something or some appointment, I will send a message. Okay.
Okay. But what I'm referring is, are you going to, pay attention and be able to write things down? You know, will you have the time to see my class and don't worry about? So, are you going to really get the content and pay attention, or do you prefer we do it on Thursdays when you're not so anxious, when you're already
Uh,
finished being in a
oh,
place?
ah, uh, can be on Thursday. Yeah.
Okay. And because you were saying about the mats that you want to bring to the with your luggage to the country that you're going, did you have any problems with that? No.
Mm, no, I have to buy 10 things. I think. Yeah, the a good meal list. Yeah,
Yes.
but not. But only to have the second object. Yeah, not so important. Yeah, I think I'm plan this travel. Yes, I studied, I read, I talked with my friend. and I think I have um, much information. Yeah, so I think I did a good luggage. Yeah, I will I will go with two luggage, um, size M. Yeah, 23 kilo kilograms. Yeah, one had hand luggage. Yeah,
Yes.
and a bag. Yeah, a small bag of computer, notebook. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I think is that. And the whey protein. Whey protein I will buy only on Monday. Yeah,
Yeah, I remember.
it's okay. But I didn't. How can I say? I pesei,
So you didn't,
weighted.
yeah, you
I
didn't
didn't
wait
weighted
your
the
luggage.
the luggage. Yeah, but I think it's does not have pesado, né?
Yeah,
Is the opposite.
not so heavy.
It's not so heavy, but the word is specific
Heavy.
to leve. How can I say?
Heavy.
No, heavy is pesado, certo?
Yes.
The I can say the
The
negative
opposite.
or the opposite.
So
Yeah.
it's
What's the
light.
opposite? Light.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. It's light because when is have sometimes I the luggage stay more fat, yes, more bigger. Sometimes I can't um close, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
is difficult to close, and now it's okay. I close um fine, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
the all the luggage. So I think it's not it's not have, yeah. I think only the volume, for example, the medicines, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
There's a lot of package, yeah, box, and the medicines is so light, but the volume is high.
Yeah, it occupies a huge space in your bag, and you need it.
Yeah, and I think it's not a big time. Yeah, um, we are talking about 6 days in the maximum. Yeah, but I think it will be less. Yeah, almost 50 days. Um, 6 days per day working. Yeah, so I think it's the same clothes. Yeah, every week. So
Mm-hmm.
we don't have um, to take a lot of things. Yeah, and sometimes this first experience I will know. Yeah, and in 2 months I will go again, and I can um, take the another things. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Um, I think on the day of your flight, you have to do a lot of things in a short period of time, so you'll see that the day passed by, in a blink.
The problem now is only the day because, for example, today it's holiday here,
Yes.
so I don't have many things to buy. Yeah, so today I did dedicated my time, for example, to organizer.
Mm-hmm. To
Yeah,
organize things.
yeah, organize things. And tomorrow I will travel. Yeah,
Yes.
I will travel to São Paulo to a party. And it would be the second chance to buy. So I only have now on Sunday. Yeah, so I will wake up early. Yeah, and do a good scheduling. Yeah,
Yes.
to buy all that I need.
Mm-hmm. So to buy everything you need.
Yeah.
Okay. When you were talking, I noticed that you said you don't have, so not a big time. It's
Mm-hmm.
very common you use big for when you're referring to things about time,
Mm-hmm.
When we're talking about time, to use the word big is not correct. The word
Mm-hmm.
big is used when we want to say about something physical. So,
Okay.
about volume, about quantities. When you're talking
Mm-hmm.
about time and you want to say it's something big, you can say it's a long time,
Yes.
or you can say it's a long period of time, the
Mm-hmm.
duration of things. You have
Mm-hmm.
some words, but time is used specifically for things that are physical.
Mm-hmm.
Um, and you said that when you were talking about your luggage and how you pack it, you said that you did a good luggage. So, in this phrase, is not very specified, did a good luggage. Está falando que você fez uma boa mala. Mas no português até faz sentido, mas no inglês fica abstrato. Então parece que você fez literalmente a mala.
Mm-hmm.
When you want to say about organizing your things, you want to say you do it on a great way. You can say, I did a good jobbing with packing my luggage, or I did a great packing.
Mm-hmm.
You know, use the word pack when you're um, packing your things, né? Guardar as coisas. Principalmente
Mm-hmm.
aqui sobre a mala. Just that you're talking about your medicines and you say box, but you were referring to more than one, so I think you already know it's boxes.
Okay.
Yeah, and I perceive that with the word kilograms, you were, a bit insecure. In English, you can say kilos, and they know what it is, so you can say just kilos. Because they
It's
use,
okay.
yeah,
Kilos.
it's okay, kilos or kilograms. You said
Mm-hmm.
kilogramas in Portuguese, we don't use this last A, just this. Um, because
Kilograms.
they have another type of measuring things, the pounds,
Yeah.
but you can say kilos that they will understand.
We need to convert it.
Yeah, I have some things in my mind. They're like, I know, I think 200 pounds, it's 90 kilos, but I use this more when I'm talking about body measure. About package, I don't really know, but notice that it's okay. I think you do a great job on your flight, on the airport. Everything will be okay.
Yeah, I needed. I have a one specific thing I forgot. It's so it's priority. Yeah, for me. It's print. Yeah, the documents. Yeah,
Hmm.
I have to travel with three cops.
Yeah, copies.
Yeah. For example, the contract, the visa, the my personal document, the flight, yeah, the flight tickets, the and the last the vaccines, yeah,
Yes.
because I think each connection can ask me, yeah, about this document.
Yes.
So um, I will do three cup each one, yeah, to travel with me, yeah. And yesterday I get my get for the first time, yeah, dollar and a euro, yeah,
Oh, that's good.
yeah, as I do a transference, yeah, and I get some euro and some dollars. Yeah, it's different. The how can I say? It's not coin, more a nota. The note,
Yeah, it's different.
the money, yeah, is so different. The euro is big. Yeah,
It's bigger.
yes, it's bigger. The the dollar is small,
Hmm.
but it's different. Yeah,
Yes.
good.
And
Yeah, and it's so crazy. I have, for example, with two papers of money, of, for example, with 200 euros, for example. Yeah, you have 1,200 reais, for example.
really?
Yes. For example, I get, for example, $1,000. Yeah. I have in Brazil, for example, 5,000 reais, more than that. Yeah. It's crazy.
I didn't know. How much is the euro right now? It's 6 reais. Don't know.
6.6. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, it's
And the dollar 5.8, I think, because when you transfer, yeah, you buy, for example, a dollar or a euro, um, you pay for the money, yeah, and for the transference.
yeah. You have taxes.
Yeah, I have paid tax. So the cost is high, yeah.
Hmm.
Than you started now, for example. Yeah.
Yes, just to
And
understand.
change all the time. Yeah. For example, I arrive and how I ask for the attendant. Um, how much costs the dollar now? She told me one value. Uh, when I do the transfer, the real transfer, yeah, uh, the value it was changed, yeah,
Really, I didn't know that the value could change
yeah,
with your
one
rate.
cent, yeah, 2 cents, but changes.
That's
It's crazy,
crazy. Yeah.
yeah. You have to you have you need to have a good relationship with, for example, uh, people that sells dollar, because, for example, now it's time they send a message. Yeah.
Yes.
But
Yeah.
it's another funny thing for me, for example, is the place, yeah, the store that sells dollar, for example. It was in the shopping, yeah. But when you, for example, arrive at the place, and you will do a negotiation, neg- yeah,
Yeah, negotiate.
negotiate. You you entered in a cabin, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, it's great. I felt important.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
The salesman. Okay, yeah. That's different. So, as you were saying, you said, I pay taxes. So,
Yeah,
you can say you pay it with
pay
an
it.
ED on the final, or you can say, um, uh, I ha- yeah, I have paid on the past, just. And you said a fun thing. To say a fun thing is not wrong, but as I told you, you want more words on your vocabulary. So you can also say a fun fact. It's pretty
Fun fact.
useful. Yeah, it's pretty used, and especially in Portuguese, these estrangeirismos, it's used. Or you can say something fun. The thing in the beginning of the phrase is more used. But yeah, I think you improved a lot since our first class. I think today is like the 10th or the ninth class.
Yeah.
It's pretty good. Um, just this you want. You have any doubts? Something to add? To ask me before your flight? No.
No. Now, I will say as Zeca Pagodinho. Deixa a vida me levar.
Yes, you think you're already prepared.
Yes. Now I will experiment. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
The truly life.
Yeah, it's going to be different. Um,
Yeah.
I'm, I'm hoping to know what's going to happen on the next chapters. But it's okay. For today, that's it.
Mhm.
We'll catch you
Okay.
on Monday to
I
see.
will go to organize my things. Yeah. I will continue.
Okay.
The night today will be long.
Uh-huh. You have to
Yeah.
do a lot of things.
Yeah.
So,
So
bye.
that's it.
See you
So
at the next
thanks.
flight. Have a great flight.
Have a nice weekend. Yeah. See you on Tuesday in Marrocos. Yeah.
Yeah. a great flight.
Uh, thanks for all. Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye.
See you.